everyone, this is Arpita. Humidifiers add moisture to the air and it can benefit people with respiratory symptoms and dry skin. So the AGARO Glory Cool Mist Ultrasonic Humidifier is of great use. The Glory Cool Mist Ultrasonic Humidifier works on the ultrasonic technology to humidify the room for skin hydration, assist in sound sleep and effortless breathing. Turn the water tank upside down, open the filler cap and pour filtered water in it. Close the filler cap, overturn and reattach with the base unit. This humidifier has 4.5 liters capacity water tank that maintains moisture level in the air for up to 15 hours and enables a cool and fresh atmosphere. It is suitable for a room size of 215 square feet such as a bedroom, baby room, living room and office. It comes with removable ceramic ball filter to prevent water scalding and remove impurities from the water in the humidifier. The dial knob can be adjusted to control the mist output for an ideal humidity level as per the requirement with maximum 300 milliliter per hour and 360-degree adjustable nozzle can be used to direct the cool mist at any direction. It has auto shut-off feature which ensures the humidifier turns off when it runs dry. Clean the humidifier every 2 to 3 weeks with 2 to 3 drops of vinegar in filtered water while cleaning the water tank and the base unit. Wipe it dry with a clean cloth. The AGARO Glory Cool Mist Ultrasonic Humidifier can be a perfect choice for your family.
Are you experiencing nasal congestion, dry skin, headaches, or even an itchy throat every day in the morning? The problem could be that you're breathing in dry air as your air conditioner removes the moisture from the air. So the solution to that problem here would be the Reffair Caligo 300 Cool Mist Humidifier. The humidifier has a top fill design which is real easy and convenient to use. Unlike other humidifiers, you don't need to take the whole device to your water source for refills. Now if you like aromatherapy, this yellow area right here is where you're going to put your essential oils. Just a few drops and it'll mix right into the cool mist, giving you that spa-like experience. Now this is a smart humidifier with a humidistat function. You can press the button over here and set your desired target humidity for your room and it will automatically stop when it reaches that. Now compared to a more manual humidifier, you would turn the knob up and need to monitor the humidity within your room. This one you can set it, forget it, and leave and feel confident knowing that when you return, the room will be at the proper humidity and not too much or too little. Now the humidifier features a remote control. Most other humidifiers only include a 1 meter cord. This one is 2 meters. It also features an activated carbon filter which helps remove odors, along with a ceramic filter to help remove impurities and minerals from the water. So if you're looking for a good night's sleep and something that's going to help you with that nasal congestion, the dry skin, the scratchy throat, then the Reffair Caligo 300 is the thing that's going to help you with your health and wellness around the home.